Believe in what is within yourself. Recognize and develop limitless potential. Live by being yourself. And this is my personal branding. Hi, I'm Nita Nurjana. I was born in an industrial city full of rice fields. That is Karawang City. I studied at LP3I College Karawang, majoring in office administration automatization. My interest in the office sector is the reason for me to take this major. Since high school, I have been active in organization. I participated in the class repetitive deliberation organization, science club, and district level science olympiads. In college, I have attended Quantum of Change soft skill training from Post Indonesia, table manner, beauty class by Ines, and computer competency tests and personal administration from the National Agency Professional Certification. I'm the chairman of the Student English Association of LP3I, the 2022 English Competition Event Division, the PIC of SEAL Goes to School, and Charity with SEAL 2022. I won the first Storytelling English Contest 2021 LP3I. I once organized an event to introduce the education system and the environment. The last is Secretary of LP3I Anniversary. My experience in 2023 as Chief Executive of the 2023 English Competition can improve my soft skill and togetherness with members. Since 2021, I have honed my communication skill and like public speaking. I have been a master of ceremony from wedding, organization, events, wedding, and seminars. In the midst of my busy activities as a student, I part-time became a student officer at LP3I Karawang in inputting student database, teleselling and telemarketing, giving presentation to school, and being a public speaker at the English Discovery Workshop. Through this experience, I gained a lot of new skill and knowledge. Nature is a place where I relax my mind. I like traveling because it can help me come up with new ideas. Since high school, I have liked vlogging because not everything can happen again. Therefore, I capture these moments through vlogs. Being an active, consistent, creative, and self-confident person, I am sure to improve myself for the better. The key is to always be myself to achieve career and life success. Be yourself, be your story, and be your success.